The quickest way for you to be able to really embark on a true program of developing that energy is to sign the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. If you were to do that, within a day, you'd have 50 Lear jets from American manufacturers telling you how they could help you create a nuclear facility that would generate civilian electricity. But you won't sign that Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, will you?
No.
Why won't you do that?
John, freedom has no price. It is a precious possession of any nation. And it is not that we want energy and pay a price which Pakistan should do it at the cost of its freedom, of its autonomy. No. We will not buy that. We will not buy energy at that price.